to the AveriSource demo video series. Today we'll cover Discover, the second product in our platform that is licensed. This is the 2.0 dashboard telling a little bit about the project that you have parsed, products that are installed, and some licensing information. Let's dive into Discover. Discover is your view into the application architecture. Good for application assessments, daily maintenance, application onboarding, and accelerated understanding of a high-level picture of the application. We start with application overview, which is a call chain diagram showing the flow of components and the references to utilities or data sets and imports like copybooks. The clusters view gives a high-level view of the types of components sized by either lines of code, connections, or complexity, and filterable by online, batch, orphans, or other. The complexity report supports the industry standard Halstead and McCabe cyclomatic complexities with 17 columns of complexity metrics, and these numbers fit into the calculations for the Halstead and McCabe measurements. The connections report shows the entry points or programs and their types, as well as the children and their types and the connection type. From the data dictionary perspective, I can see all the definitions or references to a unique list or all variables, and I can pick programs and look for those variables that I need understanding of and drill down to that line of code. The dependency view enables me to select a number of components and get a cross-reference view of the dependencies for each job or program and what logical file names or physical file names they reference and the programs that are called. Our process identification enables component mapping. When we first parse the code, we provide an index per item and give it a general process description name. You can download the template and update those names and upload the template to categorize or prioritize each component as necessary. And these process descriptions show up later as you're doing business rule analysis, for instance, or transformation. Our data lineage views show the data operations being the CRUD activity, the total operations for a particular program, what data sets it operates on, what those statements are for the operation, what types of data sets they are, and in some cases, what the record layout, or we call it data source structure. The structure view shows the layout of those records, gives the data element name, data element type, and also identifies whether those data elements are referenced in the program. The data source usage view gives a succinct list of all the data sets with the operation connections, and also the data source files map enables me to see all references, all program references to a particular file, and I can look at the operations for any particular program as we did. In general, the Discover gives you a quick insight and overview and accelerated onboarding for application maintenance or assessments. Thank you for joining the video. Watch other videos on our YouTube channel. Contact us for a demo or proofs of concept. Send us a note to hello@averisource.com.